Arthritis is defined by inflammation of the joint, the most common of which being osteoarthritis, which affects more than 30 million Americans, primarily in their hips and knees. Arthritis begins with pain and aching in the joint, and that is a symptom of the breakdown of the cartilage within the knee. This occurs slowly and over time and manifests as swelling, aching, pain, decreased range of motion, and inflammation and fluid buildup within the joints. But a diagnosis of osteoarthritis doesn't mean you're destined to have a joint replacement. Most patients with arthritis can manage their discomfort with weight loss, activity modification, and anti-inflammatory medications. When these become less effective, that's when it's time to seek out your local orthopedist for evaluation and a discussion of what the additional options are, which include physical therapy, bracing, injections, and potentially surgery.